Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover WhatsApp messages without Google Drive backup. Alright, let's begin. First, uninstall WhatsApp from your Android device. Then go to Google Drive settings and turn off the WhatsApp backup feature. Download and reinstall WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Open WhatsApp and wait a few seconds without interacting with the app. Next, minimize WhatsApp and navigate to Android, then Media, then WhatsApp to locate your backup files. Copy all files from your backup folder and paste them into Android, Media, WhatsApp. Disable mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then open WhatsApp and grant local storage access. Wait a few seconds, then enable mobile data or Wi-Fi again. When prompted, restore your messages and media from local storage. So that's basically how you can recover WhatsApp messages without Google Drive backup. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.